hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. The chase began when police ordered a motorcycle carrying two helmetless young men to stop. Instead of complying, they sped up, darting through crowded alleys. Even when the passenger jumped off, the driver kept racing recklessly with no intention of stopping.
Pulou aqui, tá de branco, detalhe vermelho, ele é baixo, tá descalço e bermuda.
The motorcycle sped off, daringly maneuvering through sharp curves, ignoring the police's drawn guns. He sought help from bystanders, but it was all in vain. He drove against traffic, crashed head-on into a car, and tumbled down. A moment of explosive tension. Police swiftly set up a perimeter, but the suspect abandoned the vehicle and bolted into a school in a desperate bid to escape.
Vai sair lá no posto. Quem passa aqui? Cadê o corta-fio? Já era, perdeu, volta. Já era, tá na mira, tá na mira. Chefe, cuidado.
Finally, his attempt to escape came to an end as the police caught him on the spot, concluding the intense chase and restoring safety to the community.
Tá filmando meu?
The chase intensified as the stolen motorcycle raced through treacherous curves. The suspect tried to evade capture at full speed, determined to escape. Finally, the motorcycle skidded and fell, and the police swiftly moved in to restrain the suspect. He was forced to surrender, admitting he was merely a transporter. The chase ended with an emotional moment as the vehicle's owner, teary-eyed, expressed his gratitude for the recovery of his vital means of livelihood. The heart-pounding chase continues. The motorcycle rockets through narrow streets at dizzying speeds. Despite the relentless pursuit by the police, the rider holds the advantage, weaving through the high-stakes speed duel with skill and precision. The chase grew even more dangerous as the motorcycle sped onto the main road, weaving through heavy traffic and running red lights with reckless abandon. The police stayed close, but it seemed they were being left behind. The police car suddenly blocked the path, forcing the suspect to abandon the motorcycle and take off in a desperate run. In the end, he was captured, bringing the intense chase to a close and ending all efforts to escape. The motorcycle carrying a man and woman without helmets sped through city streets, ignoring police signals to stop. They weaved recklessly through the crowd, narrowly missing oncoming vehicles, displaying sheer audacity in their frantic escape. Despite every effort to escape, the motorcycle was forced to the shoulder and the fugitive was subdued, an inevitable end to a bold and dangerous flight. A motorcycle without a helmet, swerving into oncoming lanes, defies the police with daring maneuvers. It speeds recklessly, running red lights and cutting off traffic at breakneck speed, turning every corner into a hotspot of intense tension. At the intersection, the motorcycle lost control and crashed to the ground. The rider abandoned the bike and bolted in a frantic attempt to escape, but it was too late. The police closed in and apprehended him on the spot, putting an end to the criminal's arrogance. Police spotted a motorcycle without a license plate, and the rider was not wearing a helmet. Ignoring the stop order, he revved the engine, ran red lights, and weaved recklessly through traffic, pushing the entire street into a state of intense danger. After a tense pursuit, the motorcycle was cornered, forcing the violator to stop. With seamless coordination, the police swiftly subdued the suspect, bringing the intense chase to a close. The police began pursuing a violator operating a high-speed dirt bike without a license plate and not seated properly on July 13, 2024.
Turn it on God, B.
He sped up, blew through red lights, swerved into oncoming traffic, and even taunted the police with a provocative gesture. Testing every limit, he forced the officers to push their speed to the max to bring this bold chase to an end.
Southampton, 2001 Gobby Road. Alright, coming back up to Gobby Road. Black male, black pants, black hoodie, black helmet.
Alright, just struck a patrol car, so now I got hit and run.
When he reached Norman Boulevard, all escape routes were blocked. The rider was forced to stop and raise his hands in surrender, ending the tense pursuit in the inescapable police trap. The chase began as officers tried to stop a motorcyclist who wasn't wearing a helmet and was speeding dangerously through alleys in Brazil. Instead of making reckless moves, the police stayed calm and continued to follow closely to apprehend the suspect safely. The offender finally had to stop in the face of the police's persistence, ending the intense chase. He successfully earned himself a pair of handcuffs for his reckless run. A motorcyclist is being chased by police at high speed, reaching an astonishing 151 miles per hour. Under intense pressure, the motorcyclist lost control and crashed into another car while traveling at 135 miles per hour. Emergency services quickly arrived on the scene, and fortunately, no one was harmed. This incident serves as a chilling reminder of the consequences of trying to evade the law. The Brazilian police plunged into a gripping chase with a motorcycle speeding at a challenging pace, forcing them to activate the hazard lights. The police were finally able to stop the fleeing motorcycle and end the chase without any further incidents. Arkansas State Police are in pursuit of a motorcyclist without a helmet, speeding at over 100 miles per hour on June 9, 2024. He recklessly runs red lights one after another, showing no intention of stopping.
Senior lane, or North 8th. Back to North. Clear, clear, clear. There's some traffic. We're about 50 right now. Back to Midland. Right. Yeah, towards the downtown area for safe right.
Okay, back up.
Police delivered decisive pit maneuvers to stop this dangerous, reckless driving, but he continued to speed away.
I'd like to be in the parking lot here. Still behind the jail. Service in the parking lot. Gotta back towards Wheeler. Going through a red light.
Finally, he lost control and crashed onto the road, giving police the chance to close in and make the arrest. This is the fate of someone who dares to gamble with his life against the police.
Get out! Hey, get out! This is a misdemeanor. That's it. Misdemeanor at the most. I did not do that. I throw that on the ground and stomp on it. Oh, fuck.
The intense pursuit began when police spotted two individuals on a motorcycle, helmetless and with the license plate intentionally covered. They sped off at a dangerously high speed, forcing the officers to give it their all to keep up. However, the speed and daring of the two riders caused the police to lose sight of them, forcing a pause in the pursuit. It seemed like it was all over as the motorcycle vanished from view. But then, The headlights suddenly caught the daring duo on the familiar motorcycle again, and the police quickly apprehended them. Only after securing them did they realize it was a stolen bike.